Hello everyone, I am Sindhu Susan and I am a software developer. So today I'm going to discuss that how I passed my AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification. So let's get started. This certification is a combination of both hands-on and theory. So first we will discuss that what exactly this certification covers. So it covers core AWS services, networking, security and identity management, high availability and fault tolerance, cloud architecture design, storage solutions, database services, monitoring and logging, serverless and application integration, cloud migration or migration strategies, cost optimization, and lastly, reliability, scalability, and performance design. So we have to see that who exactly can appear for this certification. So ideally, a person who has 1 to 3 years of experience in cloud can give this examination, and he should be aware of AWS core services. And also, people who have taken AWS Cloud Practitioner already, it is ideal for them also because they already have a cleared concept of AWS core services, and then they can deep dive into the architecture design of AWS. So I will say that for me, I have not taken AWS Cloud Practitioner exam because it was a very basic level. So instead I went and take AWS Cloud Quest Practitioner level, which was equivalent to that only. And after that I started working and preparing for AWS this certification. And also I want to discuss that how much time it will take, whether it will take days, weeks or months. So if you have a good experience in AWS cloud services, so it could take around 2 to 3 weeks if you are preparing for 2 hours per day. And then if you want to prepare only for 1 hour, as we know that we have busy schedule with our jobs and other priorities as well, so for that it will take around 4 to 6 weeks if you are preparing for 1 hour. And then if you don't have any knowledge of AWS and you want to clarify all the concept, so it will take around 6 to 8 weeks. But more or less I passed in 1 month. I prepared for 1 month and I could easily got it in one go. So the type of question, they have single answer questions also, they have multiple response questions as well, they have architectural design questions, they have service selection questions also, questions on the cost optimization, and questions on high availability and disaster recovery questions, and security questions are there, networking questions are there, and storage questions are there. So networking question like VPC, subnets, security groups, NAT gateways, VPN and all. In storage questions like selecting between S3, EBS, EFS, Glacier and storage classes. In the database questions, that is choosing between RDS, Aurora, DynamoDB, Redshift and database, different options. Then compute questions, choosing between EC2, Lambda, ECS, EKS and auto scaling. They have migration questions as well, like moving workload from on-premise to AWS. Now they have monitoring and troubleshooting questions as well, like using CloudWatch, CloudTrail and AWS config. So what are the different sources for the preparation? So I will say that there is an official AWS website where you can go and get the exam guide of the entire certification, and then there's a skill builder program as well on their website only, so you can enroll and get your questions and even labs there. They have proper AWS documentation. You can go and get your all the facts. You can learn a lot from the AWS documentation. There are white papers also, you can learn from there as well. And the other, you can go and opt for Udemy courses also. Even I have made a video which is in my YouTube channel and even on Udemy. You can go and check the Udemy courses as well. Like one of the most famous courses is of Stephen Marek. I have also created one Udemy course. My course is also available on the YouTube as well. It's a free course. So all the best for your examination. Thank you so much.